Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to slay my new glasses that I got from TIJN Eyewear. I will link their Instagram somewhere on the screen. I just got these new glasses. Excuse the blue light filter. Hopefully you can see the makeup when I'm finished, but you should be, because I'm actually going to do it a little bit more, I don't want to say dramatic, but this is not going to be like it's gonna be soft glam that you can see. So this is not gonna be minimalistic natural makeup. This is definitely gonna be a makeup look where you can tell that I'm wearing makeup, because I just feel like when I'm wearing glasses, yes, most of the time I don't have any makeup on at all. But for makeup that I would typically want to wear with glasses, like if I want to wear my glasses out like as a look, I want you to be able to see my makeup. First thing we're going to do is moisturize these ashy ass lips. And I am using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Glass Slipper. So I'm going to take my glasses off. Y'all, these glasses are so cute and minimalistic. Look at them. Yes, so this is TIJN Eyewear. I just really like the aesthetics of their Instagram page and of the glasses that they put out. I wanted some simple, very minimalistic frames that would look good if I was just trying to be stylish. As you can see, they are so thin, like even the arms are very thin. However, they are also very fragile. But yeah, I just think they're so cute. I get so many compliments on them. Very sleek. So I'm just gonna put those to the side. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply some eye cream. And this is the eye cream that you saw in my recent skincare routine. And if you have not seen that video, go watch it after this. This is the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. So let me tell y'all something else while I'm applying my eye cream really quick. So I have a mic, and I really hope y'all can hear what I'm saying, because if y'all can't, I'm gonna feel really booty at the end of this video, and I gotta go back and do a voiceover that I don't really feel like doing. So I hope y'all can hear me. So for moisturizer, I'm just gonna moisturize using that same skincare line. This is the Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I'm just going to pat that all over my face and kind of massage it in. Since I've been wearing my hair shorter and, you know, wearing it kind of like I have a tapered cut, so it's heavier towards the front, I don't apply as much moisturizer or as much product to my forehead. Even foundation, I just don't apply a whole lot of product to my forehead, because it has been like kind of breaking out. Like you can see the scars right here, and I think that's just from my hair products. I've just been not like putting too much product up there. For primer, I am going to go in with the Maybelline Studio Master Prime Pore Minimizing Primer. It's to blur and minimize your pores. And I don't even know why I applied it to my forehead, because I just told y'all that I wasn't going to be putting a lot of makeup on my forehead. But it's okay, because that's kind of like my brow area where I'm going to have to put my brow product and my concealer. Y'all, I just pray this mic is working, because bruh, it's not. So I'm going to take a paper towel and dry or dab my eyebrows, because I just feel like when I put that primer on, it's very slick. It's like a slippery primer. And usually I like to apply my eyebrows before I even put a dab of makeup on my face, but I wasn't thinking about what I was doing, and I just started applying products. So yeah, let me go back and just wipe those down so that my brow product will stick. And boom, we got eyebrows. I am actually gonna do my foundation first, and this is because I've been really feeling my skills lately, and it's just something about when you have like a flawless complexion as your canvas for your eyes. I'm saying all this, and I could very easily get deep into this makeup routine and feel totally different, like I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I'm actually going to use my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and this is a foundation that I tried once. Like, I tried a sample back in the day and it just felt so luxurious to me, and so I splurged on it on myself. I was like, you know what, I am not doing freelance anymore. Let me get away from just buying drugstore. I'm not knocking drugstore, but I mean, this is all for my personal collection at this point, so it's okay to splurge a little bit. And I just shook it really well, and I'm just gonna do about 4 pumps of that is what I used onto my makeup palette. So I'm just going to dab into that and just blot it all over my face. I have neck acne, I have arm acne, and back acne that I battle with. So I just kind of try to manage it as best I can, and I'm not about to let it hold me. Alright, so I'm going to take a large powder brush. I've really liked applying my foundation with these type of brushes lately. I feel like it covers a lot in a shorter amount of time. Like, look at that, almost done with my neck. So I'm just gonna take that little brush I applied my concealer with. Okay, that's gonna be tedious and annoying. I'm just gonna take this little eyeshadow brush and just kind of blend that product between my eyebrows. And then what I have left over on this brush, I'm just gonna kind of get up here and blend that line out on my forehead where the concealer is, because we don't want that there. For concealer, I am using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. And then for my contour, this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm going to take this Makeup Shack T34 brush, and I'm going to do my contour first. So no, I'm not. I am going to use this new Morphe brush I got for contour specifically and bronzing, and it is the Morphe M405. And I am actually going to blend out that highlight area with this Makeup Shack T34 brush. You get that really full coverage if you let your concealer dry a little bit. You probably got to be careful with what concealer you use. Like a really mattifying concealer, they will get stupid dry on you real fast. You probably want to do that with this one. But this one, I think, again, is another hydrating product. So now I'm going to apply my setting powder. For setting powder, I'm going to use this Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Plantain. Oh, but before I do that, I want to go in and set that area with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. This is in the shade Tan, and it's number 35. This is a dry sponge. I don't put wet sponges in my powder products anymore. So I just want to go up under that under eye with that first. Ooh. Ooh, my under eye feels like tight. I like that tight feeling. Like crease where? Where you see a crease? I'll wait for you to find it. So now with that Beauty Bakery, I have put a little bit in my lid, and I'm just gonna go in to that with the pointy side of my brush or with my sponge. And I'm just applying it to that area. I'm not gonna do it anywhere else. Alright, so for my eyes, it's gonna be very wearable, but it is gonna look like I'm the bride. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is go into Ashanti, and that is in this Juvia's Place Tribe palette, and that's gonna be my crease color. So I'm gonna use this Morphe M573 brush, and it's kind of like it's like a tapered eyeshadow brush, so it has a little bit of a point, but it's still kind of fluffy. Okay, so for my lid color, I actually want to use a shimmer, which I also haven't done in a while. This is just like usually the makeup look I do when I say I don't want to be extra. I just want something simple, and then I end up with something like mad extra. So for my lid color, I am going to use a shimmer like I said before, and I'm going to try applying this with the Morphe M417 brush or M417 brush. I'm going to dip into this shade Chaga right here. And because this is a shimmer and I am using a fluffier brush, I'm really taking my time. It's not gonna be a smooth cut, but I am gonna kind of sweep it in like a cut crease kind of like motion like that. Just to finish it off, let me do my under eye area. I'm going to take this brush that came in my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I'm just gonna kind of flatten it out just a little bit, and I'm gonna go into Ashanti with that. I'm gonna go right up under here and just kind of connect that in the outer corner. When I am wearing my glasses, I want my lashes to be, you know, a little bit more on the modest side. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner, and this is in the shade Blackest Black. I was gonna use a liquid liner on the top lid, but I think I'm gonna use this same eyeliner on top, and I'm just gonna kind of smudge that into my lash line. Now that my eyes are lined, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes, and these are the Amethyst Stone 3D Mink lashes, and I'm gonna use the style Sensual today. I'm not gonna add any mascara to the lashes so that if they do brush up against my glasses, they won't leave a mark. I'm gonna pop these lashes on off camera just because I have an in-depth lash tutorial on my channel that I uploaded recently. So if you want to see how I apply my lashes, just go ahead and watch that after you're done watching this video. And the brush that I just blended that setting powder out with is the Morphe M554 brush. So, okay, now that that is finished, I am going to add a touch of mascara to my bottom lashes. I am going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Bronzing Powder in the shade Mahogany. And I'm also, like I said, I was using the powders on my forehead. I am going to go ahead and just bronze my forehead. Even though there's no foundation up there, I'm just kind of bronze it a little bit just to kind of bring everything all together. For blush, I am going to go into Neo from this Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette with this e.l.f. pointed powder brush. And And then for highlight, I just want it to be more of like a sheen. So I'm gonna use one of the Milani Baked blushes. This is in the shade Bella Bellini. And then for the lips, I'm gonna use the Mented Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Night. And now I'm going to take Bahama Beige from Milani Cosmetics. And I think that's it. So let's put our glasses on, and I'm gonna show you how this glam just shines through. My ring light is shining through my glasses, so there's nothing I can really do about that because it's really dark outside. Let me turn it off real quick and see. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So it's really dark outside, and I can't really get y'all to get the full effect of this glam without my ring light, but I'm just gonna kind of turn to the side. I won't face the camera head on, but check it out. So let me know what you guys think in the description box below. If you like this video, if you think you will be trying this with your own glasses, if you wear glasses and just feel like you don't do the contacts, like that's just not your thing, and it has made you feel like you can't wear makeup because you wear glasses all the time, honey, look, like you can really come through. Like I am coming all the way through these lenses. And don't I look like I'm like going out for cocktails right now, even though I'm really just about to go sit in my living room and pump and look at my husband and my baby? I'm gonna look good doing it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section down below if you feel like your eyes have been opened, no pun intended, to the fact that you can wear full glam with your glasses. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.